Brand new modern 3-story duplex na may 6 bedrooms at roof deck dito sa BF Homes Parañaque. Meron tong lot area na 132 square meters at ang floor area nasa 270 square meters. May 2-car garage. At eto na yung interior look niya. Maaliwalas ang buong bahay kasi may double height ceiling. Maluwag din yung living area. Ayan nga yung parking. Ito naman yung dining and kitchen. Combined siya. Ang ganda ng kitchen, no? Ang linis. Meron pang indoor garden dyan. Pwede rin lanay. At nasa loob to ng isang gated subdivision. May ground floor bedroom plus maid's room pa. Panoorin mo yung full walkthrough nito sa YouTube channel ng Home Search Philippines. Yung price and details, lagay ko na lang sa comment section. Ayan yung maid's room, may own